everyone, welcome back to Duck Tech. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated face-off between two of the most powerful smartphones on the market, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both have amazing new features and upgrades, but which one is really worth your money? Let's find out. Design and build. Starting with design and build quality, both devices continue their respective premium traditions. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a sleek titanium frame, making it durable yet lightweight. Its flat edges give it that modern premium look. The iPhone comes in 4 distinct colors, including the fan favorite Space Black. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a reinforced aluminum frame and curved edges, adding an elegant feel while maximizing screen space. Samsung sticks with classic shades and adds some exclusive colors for online orders. Both phones feel luxurious, but the choice here really depends on personal taste. Display. Moving on to the displays, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, offering up to 3200 by 1440 resolution with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's known for its vibrant colors and deep blacks, ideal for streaming and gaming. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, on the other hand, features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with an adaptive 1 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate and Apple's True Tone technology for precise color accuracy. Although both are incredible displays, Samsung edges out with slightly higher resolution, while the iPhone offers more accurate color tones. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with Apple's latest A18 Pro chip built on the 3nm architecture, boasting better power efficiency and performance than ever before. This powerhouse can handle anything from intense gaming to multitasking like a breeze. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for the US market, or Exynos 2400 in other regions, which is optimized for high performance and energy efficiency. While both chips are extremely fast, Apple's A18 Pro has the edge in terms of raw processing power and energy management. Camera. Let's talk about the camera as a crucial factor for many of us. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a quad camera setup featuring a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and 2 telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom. Samsung's image quality, especially in low light, is remarkable thanks to its improved nightography mode. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a triple camera system with a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens with up to 6x optical zoom. Apple's photonic engine brings enhanced low-light performance and accurate colors. While Samsung wins in zoom capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is known for its natural color reproduction and high-quality video, especially in ProRes format. Battery life and charging. When it comes to battery, the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a 50 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with heavy use, and it supports 45 watts fast charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, although Apple doesn't reveal the exact battery size, promises all-day battery life and supports 30 watts charging, which is a bit slower than Samsung's. However, Apple's optimizations in iOS make it incredibly efficient. For those looking for faster charging, though, Samsung is the clear winner. However, if you want a well-rounded device with excellent performance, superior video quality, and a seamless iOS experience, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might be the one for you. That wraps up our comparison. Which one would you choose, the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more comparisons and tech reviews. See you next time.